Action.
Hi, I'm Tanner, here with Mike at the Leaf Wellness Studio in Santa Monica, California. Today we're going to show you a single arm dumbbell row. Mike's going to get into position, grabbing the dumbbell with one arm while he has his feet spaced back evenly and his other arm down for support. As he comes up to begin the movement, he's going to make sure he doesn't have any rounding in his lower back. You want to have your lower back arched, back tight, hips even here, and Mike's going to pull his elbow back so that his hand goes into his lower ribs. Keep going there, Mike. One of the things he's doing is pulling his shoulder blade back here and making sure that the elbow is really shooting back beyond his waist here, so his hand's always going to go into his lower rib. This is a great exercise for your lats, for your back, shoulders, and biceps. Thanks for stopping in with us at Leaf Performance Center.